Hi, I'm John Kendall, After Sales Manager at Agnew Van Centre, Mollusk. At Agnew Van Centre, we understand visiting our centre may not always be convenient or possible, especially when you manage your business. Let us bring our expertise, tools and diagnostic skills direct to your business or job site. Our trained technicians provide expert care to your vehicle directly, saving you both time and hassle. Our services will include initial fault diagnosis or warning light review, oil changes, brakes, and investigating anything unusual like a noise or a rattle. We'll always strive to resolve the issue during our site visit, otherwise follow-up options will be discussed. This new service is available right now across Northern Ireland with limited availability. For additional information, please feel free to contact the Van Centre today.